Alright guys, so in this video we're gonna attempt to connect the Zeal sound microphone that I got off of Amazon to my computer. So yeah, let's go. Alright, I have brought y'all over to be in a chair on my tripod near my bed. Alright, so got the cords, got the handbook. How to connect PC with USB interface. Plug the USB end of the cable into the PC and the Type-C end into the microphone, and then you can start it. Note if your newest MacBook, blah blah blah. I don't like Mac or Apple, so let's go. USB end of the cable. I could plug it into here, but you know, for first connection purposes, let's plug her in directly into the computer. Alright, now that that's done, let's plug this side. Yo, honestly, stupid move. You motherfucker. I just can't see the buttons when I do it like that. I just don't like how I can't see the buttons. I guess I'll just do it like this. Ooh, alright. And that was it. That's all it said. Connect it directly into the computer and then into the microphone. So now I'm gonna go to settings on my computer. And I'm gonna go to Bluetooth and devices. Where are my wired headphones? The wired ones, I put them somewhere. You know what, I should probably just use the earbuds. Excuse me. Oh shit, sorry. Y'all are a little, movie. Ooh. Alright. Cool. Alright, in my little ghoul bag, I have these. So, I'll see you guys in the next video.